Welcome to your new favorite home organizer, the Household Essentials Bamboo Pull-Out Double Hamper with Shelf in natural and black. This elegant bamboo hamper features two removable, washable black fabric bags that make sorting laundry simple and mess-free. The top open shelf offers a stylish spot to display towels, toiletries, books, or decorative items, adding both function and charm to any space. Designed with a compact and sleek frame, it fits perfectly in bedrooms, bathrooms, or laundry rooms without taking up too much room. Crafted from eco-friendly and durable natural bamboo, this hamper combines sustainability with lasting quality. Measuring 25.5 inches long, 13 inches wide, and 28.75 inches high, it offers plenty of storage without crowding your space. Upgrade your home organization with this practical and attractive bamboo pull-out double hamper today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.